Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about differential equation, which is asked in GATE and 1994 to 2014. After 2014, I will discuss in next video. So now let's start the first question. First question is which is asked in GATE 1994 for 1 mark. Y is equal to e to power minus 2x is a solution of the differential equation y double dash plus y1 minus 2y equal to 0. Is it true or false? We have to tell about the is it true or false. First check it. Yeah. So first solution given is y double dash plus y1 minus 2y equal to 0. Okay. It means it is du square y minus second two times of differentiation dy minus 2y is equal to 0. It means auxiliary equation will be d square plus d minus 2 is equal to 0. After the solution of auxiliary equation is here. Auxiliary equation will be m square plus m minus 2 is equal to 0, and after solution we can say that m plus 2 or m minus 1 is equal to 0 and m is equal to minus 2 and 1. So complementary equation will be Cp. Complementary equation C will be C1 e to minus 2x plus C2 e to power of x. Okay, so this one is the part of the differential equation. They are asking about the e to power minus 2x, so it is a part of the differential equation. It is true. Now comes to next question. The following differential equation has 3d square y by dt square plus 4 dy by dt upper power 3 plus y square plus 2 equal to x. Degree and order. We have to tell about the degree. Order order is the highest derivative term. Okay. Always remember order is highest derivative term. Order is nothing but highest derivative term. So check it. How much is the highest derivative term? Yeah, here two times the derivative. Each one is one times. It is nothing. So two times the derivative means order will be two. And degree. What is the degree? Maximum power of highest derivative term. Degree is a power of highest derivative term. Degree is writing. Degree is power of highest derivative term. Derivative term. So uh, order will be 2. Order will be 2. Here is the and degree will be 1 because highest power is here is the 1. Okay. So option B will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. A solution of the following differential equation is given by uh, first of all it will be d square minus 5d plus 6 is equal to 0. Convert in auxiliary equation, it will be m square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. Then m square minus 2m minus 3m plus 6 is equal to 0. Then m take it common, m minus 2 minus 3 m minus 2 is equal to 0. So it will be m minus 3 m minus 2 is equal to 0, m is equal to 3 and 2. So auxiliary equation will be auxiliary not complementary equation will be complementary equation will be c1 e to power 3x plus c2 e to power 2. Nothing is given, initial condition and last condition, so this one is the final. c1 e to power 2x plus 3x. So option B will be right answer. Now comes to next question. A solution of the differential equation with initial condition is given x0 is equal to 0 is, okay, solution. Given question x dot t plus 2x t is equal to del t. Okay. Then taking Laplace transform of both sides, show as x naught x 0 plus 2x is equal to 1. Okay. It is easy to solve it in with the differential equation. Sorry, Laplace transform. X naught 0 is 0. So x is equal to 1 upon x plus 2. Okay. So xt will be e to the minus 2t and ut. So it will be the answer. So option will be e to the minus tt ut option. Okay. Now comes to next question. Question number 5. For the differential equation d square y by dx square plus k square y equal to 0, the boundary condition are y equal to 0 for x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 for x equal to a. The form of non-zero solution y are, see, d square plus k square is equal to 0. Okay. So d is equal to plus minus j k. So it will be y is equal to a cos kx plus j b sin kx. Okay. So first condition is given x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. X equal to 0, then y equal to 0. So what will happen? Put it x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Y equal to 0, x equal to 0, then it will be a plus j b sin 0, 0. So a is equal to 0. So y will be now becomes j b sin kx only. Okay. Next condition, x equal to 0, then sorry, x equal to a, then y equal to always next in this condition always 0. We here is also 0. So y 0 and j j b sin ka. Okay. So b will be not equal to 0. So y always 0 is only possible sin ka is equal to 0 and it will be the always 0, then sin m pi m sorry m m pi. Okay. So k is equal to k, sorry, ka is equal to, sorry, k is equal to m pi m pi. So then what will happen? K is equal to m pi by a. Okay. So uh, y will be and summation of m, and in terms of b her am is given, so it is constant, so take it am sin m pi by a for k and x. Okay. So this one will be the answer. Option A will be the right answer. Now comes to next question. The solution of the differential equation k square y divided and y minus 2 under the boundary condition. y equal to y1 at x equal to 0, y equal to y2 at x equal to infinity, where k and y1, y2, we have to find out the all the constant terms. Okay, where and solution. Here is given k square t square by tx square equal to y minus y2. Okay, so t square by dx square minus y by k square plus y2 by k square equal to 0. Then m square minus 1 by auxiliary equation k square equal to 0. So m is equal to plus minus 1 by k. Okay, and the complementary equation will be complementary complementary equation will be y equal to c1 e to power x by k plus c2 e to power minus x by k. Then there is a condition x equal to 0, then y equal to y1. Put it, then y1 and x equal to 0, c1 plus sorry, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to y1. Complementary equation will be the plus y2. Y2 is the constant, yeah, na? So their complementary equation will be साथ में y2. So y1 equal to c1 c2 plus y2. Okay. So x equal to y1 and x is equal to infinity, then y is equal to y2. So y2 is equal to c1 e to power infinity plus 0 and y2. Y2 is 0, then y2 y2 cancel out, so it will be the c1 will be 0 and c2 is equal to from here question number 1. So c2 is equal to y1 minus y2, y1 minus y2. Then y is equal to, we can write as y1 minus y2 and e to minus x by k plus y2. Okay. So option will be D. Check it. Option will be D. Now next question. Which of the following is a solution to the differential equation dx by dt plus 3xt is equal to 0? It's very simple. Nothing. D plus 3 is equal to 0. Auxiliary equation m is equal to minus 3. So xt is equal to e to the power c e to the power minus 3t. Okay. So where is the 3t? Here. Option B. Option B will be the right answer. Now, the order of the differential equation. Order. I already told you highest power of highest derivative is known as order. So highest derivative of the differential equation is here 2. So order will be 2. Option B will be the right answer. Now, match is the differential equation in group 1 to the family of equation curve from 1 to 1. dy by dx. I am doing 1. Check it. Here is the given dy dx equal to y by x. Okay. Just show what will happen. Here dy by y and dx by x. Then it will be log y equal to log c plus log x plus c. Okay, and yeah, we can say then log c xc. This will be the y cx. Okay, a straight equation, a straight line. So a2 match a2 a2 and minus. So what will happen? Here will be in B option A and B is given dy by dx and minus y by x, minus y by x. Then what will happen? Same thing, dy by dy, sorry, dy by y, dy by y is equal to minus dx by x. So then what will happen? Log y plus minus equal to log x plus log c. Okay, so yx is equal to c. Okay, yx is equal to c. It will be the hyperbola b third and xy. xy. C is given dy by dx equal to x by y. Then what will happen? Y dy x dx. So then y square plus equal to x square plus 3. Then it will be y square minus x square equal to 3. This one also question of hyperbola. So and now next d dy by dx is given minus x by y, y dy minus x dx, y square plus x square c. Then it will be the circle. Okay. So, so in this such way you can check it. This one asked in 2 marks 2009. A function nx is satisfy the differential equation d square and d square nx by dx square minus nx by L equal to 0 where L is the constant. The boundary condition are n is equal to 0 is equal to k and n is equal to infinity is equal to 0. The solution of this equation is show here d square minus 1 by L is equal to 0. So auxiliary according to auxiliary m is equal minus 1 by L is equal to 0, m is equal to plus minus 1 by, sorry, 1 by L square. Here is given L square, sorry, something mistake I did, L square, this is L square, okay. So L square, so it will be L and nx, sorry, nx will be c1 e to power x by L plus c2 e to power minus x by L. Okay, so n is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, then what is the value? And 0 is k. So put it x is equal to 0, then here k is equal to c1 plus c2. And now n is equal to infinity, means n infinity is value given 0. K is equal to, so x is equal to infinity, so the c1 e to power infinity plus c2 e to power minus infinity, it becomes the 0. Then here 0 is equal to c1 e to power infinity only possible when c1 is 0. c1 is equal to 0. So k c2 is equal to k, so sorry, nx is equal to nx is equal to k e to power minus x by L. So therefore answer will be k exponential e to power minus xl, option B. The solution of differential equation dy by dx is equal to ky, y0 is equal to c, y0 is equal to c. So here it is, check it. dy by dx equal to ky. Then you can write it dy equal to y k dx. So ln y is equal to kx plus a, or x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, y0 is given, y is given c. Okay, so what will happen? X is equal to 0, ln c is equal to k into 0 plus a, or a is equal to ln c. Okay, so from equation ln y is equal to kx plus ln c, and here ln y by c is equal to kx, and uh, remove the logarithmic. So y by c is equal to e to power kx, or y is equal to c e to power kx. So right answer will be c e to power kx. Y is equal to c e to power kx. Option C. Come to next question. The initial condition x1 is equal to 0.5. The solution of the differential equation t dx by dt plus x and t. Solution t dx by dt is plus x is equal to t is given. So we can write as ax upon dt is equal to, sorry, plus x by t is equal to 1. Okay, and here will be dx by dt px is equal to 0. Okay, so p is equal to 1 by t and q is equal to 1. So integrating factor ip is equal to e to power t dt dt and e of ut and then t. So solution is x integrating factor is equal to q integrating factor dt plus c. Okay, so x into t, q, what is the q? 1, t dt plus c. We can say that t square by 2 plus c. So then x equal to t by 2 plus c by t, and x1 is equal to 1. Then t is equal to 1. At t is equal to 1, x is equal to half. Okay, put it here, half plus c. So power c is equal to 0, because half cancel out, and it becomes x equal to t by 2. In the solution, option x is equal to t by 2, option D. Gate, this one asking gate 2000 2012. Oh. If the characteristic equation of the differential equation is given has two equal roots, then the value of alpha r. Here is the mention equal roots. Okay, so d square plus 2 alpha d plus 1 is equal to 0, means m square plus 2 m alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. We can say that for equal root, d means say alpha should be, okay, m1 m2 is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. What is the b? Minus 2 alpha plus minus b square 4 alpha square minus 4 ac 4 1 1 and 2a 2. For equal root, this one will be, this one should be 0. So 4 alpha square minus 4 is equal to 0. So alpha square minus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to plus minus 1. So right answer will be plus minus 1, option A. Okay. Thank you for watching. Next video I will discuss differential equation after 2014 question. Okay.